And we are here. We are back.
Oh, the rumor must have...
No rumor? We are here to get Marvel, Captain Marvel buttons. They're handing out,
I see stuff. The rumor was true. They're handing out Captain Marvel buttons. Doo-doo-doo.
That's why we're here.
Yes.
We came to get some Captain Marvel buttons. Let us in. Let us in. Thank you.
Have a good day. You guys can have a button.
Ooh, sweet. Ooh. I'm gonna get some for what's his face too. Check it. Oh, I got extras for everybody on Kiddo TV.
I got 3.
I'm wearing one. Look, guys. They're handing them out today, and today only. Captain Marvel buttons. Gothic Rosie was right. What is her webpage?
Gothic Rosie.
GothicRosie.com or?
Facebook page.
Oh, so Gothic Rosie. Gothic Rosie Disneyland Guide.
Yes. Disneyland info.
Dude, we found about. She told us about this
a couple days before. Like, she posted on Friday.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, and then you told me about it. You're like, we should probably go Sunday again. I'm like, why? I don't want to go. I don't go Sundays.
We don't come.
Yeah, trust me, there'll be a free button. Like, tell me more. What are you doing?
Take a picture with Groot.
You gonna put one on Groot?
Oh, but it's backwards.
No, it'll fix itself once the picture takes. Because you're using the selfie camera.
Okay, I'm waiting for these people to move in my photo.
Oh, those people right there. Oh, it's a funny day.
Because I got the car in the background.
Jeez. Louise, we need to get you a real camera, man.
I know, babe.
I'm telling you, you took good pictures with your iPhone already, though.
Yeah.
So it's not even like, why get you a new camera? Chef Groot was not.
Chef Groot.
All he needs is a chef's hat.
I know.
They go tell him, like, can we get a chef's hat for Groot? Chef Groot needs one. See, he got a spoon.
I love it. Look, it's Chef Groot. Clyde, look at Chef Groot. We go Chef Groot.
And Groot got his chef's hat. He's all chefed up. We can't give Groot this picture in front of the Food and Wine sign. So Groot got his picture in front of the Food and Wine sign. Now we're gonna go see what time the Food and Wine festivities starts. Everybody takes their sick pics. Like, look at all those chefs over there. Oh, Mater's out in front of the Cars Land sign. Of course, there's a line. But Mater's there. Mater the Greater. There he is. Taking some sick pics with the guests. All right, let's go see if we can take a picture with him.
Hey, I just topped off the road. I'm full of gas.
Dude, you can see the original color in the back. It used to be a teal truck.
Yeah.
Come on by my junkyard damn right.
He's got a dent right there. Look, somebody sideswiped him.
Junkyard damn right.
That was a cool picture. That's cool. Hey, hello. Yay! Hey, Mater. Chef Groot's here.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Look at you.
Yay!
Here we go, y'all. 1, 2, 3.
Get all the angles.
There you go.
Hey there, I'm Mater. Not tell me.
That's cool.
But someone told me that it wasn't.
It's not incorrect. It's incorrect.
It has to be 3 circles.
Oh, he does a half circle.
Yeah, because I thought, I was like, look, that's getting me. And they're like, no, it's
No.
a full circle.
Technically not.
I don't know. That's what I was told, but I saw it too, brother.
I say it is, but
I think it
I need to see the rule book.
Hey, high five,
Yay.
baby.
So you see the guy behind us?
Yeah, he's the one in charge of Mater.
He's controlling him. So there's nobody, is there not somebody in there? I think right now there's nobody in it. That's why they can take so many pictures and take their time. So he just gets out. I think they just bring him up here and he
You
gets
think
out.
the remote control?
Yes.
You don't think someone's in there driving
He's
it?
got his hands in his pockets the whole time.
I know.
He's got his hand in his pockets, and he did a joke right now, and he was laughing. I saw him laugh.
Okay.
He broke character. We are checking out all the patches. Show them the patches, D.
And you're gonna want to start doing the patches. Like the genie for you. You love Aladdin. Like they have a Lion King one for me.
And a D one.
So cute. I know. And like they're coming out with villains ones. Nightmare for Christmas. There's this one right here. See?
That one's cool. Look at the apple,
For the
D.
Queen of Hearts. Maleficent, Ursula, and Snow White. It's like one of all of
Oh, this is Ursula?
villains.
Oh,
The
yeah.
Unfortunate Souls. I like that. And like the big old
it's the
castle.
Die Hard. Look how big that castle one is.
I know.
Madame Leona.
And they have snack ones too.
They do? I'll show you the snack time ones. See how they're like rubber on the top?
Oh, I like these.
Ooh, look at that little Dumbo one.
And see, look, teapots, Small World. They're like
You can get creative with these. Okay, we decided to stay for food and wine.
Yes. So we got our lanyard.
Yeah, we'll be eating now like at 11:30, which is like I think an hour away, an hour and a half, hour and a half away. Maybe almost 2 hours. By then I'll be starving. And by then I'm gonna eat all 8 tabs. Just the tabs. I'm not even gonna get food for it. I'm just gonna eat the tabs. Look, yeah. Tastes good. That one tastes like Harris French beef. That'll be my Harris French beef one. So right now we're gonna head to the back lot. We heard there is Captain Marvel wall. Maybe some more photo ops for Captain Marvel coming out.
Over there. I don't know where it's at.
Captain Marvel coming out next weekend, Thursday night, Friday morning. However crazy you are to watch this movie, you will go see it. I'm digging the Steamboat Willie ears, man.
I know.
And a bucket to match. We'll get some popcorn later. We're gonna be so full we're not even gonna want it. Maybe it's a 2-hour wait.
Yeah.
So we might need some popcorn to
Popcorn in the meantime.
satisfy us in the meantime.
Here, snack. Hey, Disney snack.
Give me your arm, I need some snacks. we have to get food and wine today.
Yeah.
I need my food and wine video up.
I know. I want it up too.
Chef Cruz got his hat already. The hat won't last till next weekend.
No.
Watch, there's a severe thunderstorm coming next weekend and we won't be able to get it. So let's do it now.
Let's do it now.
Don't worry, I'll eat it all.
No.
We should probably figure out which ones we're gonna order and check them off the list.
Oh yeah.
We could do that while we wait too.
Yeah. We
Make
can do
our
that.
decisions.
Yes.
Oh, so many food decisions. I call them food decisions.
Yeah. Where's the peanut butter churro?
Oh yeah, it's back out. You know what I seen it on? Prince Bogey.
Oh yeah.
Prince Bogey in the morning.
No, that one's
$6.25.
But the churros here are cheaper.
Well, no, that's how much churro is.
No, here?
That's how much churro is. But they have it here. We could try that next weekend, babe.
You were just saying you need a snack.
Yeah, popcorn.
Popcorn snack. Okay.
We get 6 popcorn for that price. We found the wall. It's right here, the Captain Marvel wall. Let's take a selfie, baby. We found the Captain Marvel wall. And Lisa doesn't want me to be in the picture. She said, no, you, sir, cannot be in the picture because your face is smelly. Did you get it? Yeah.
Fix him.
We always take the best pics. So happy, look at me, look at me. Oh, there's a monorail. Oh, not the right one.
Oh yeah.
Not the right monorail. I'm looking for that orange one. I want that orange monorail you like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I need to get that one
With
for
all
our
the
videos.
Mickeys, Yeah.
Yeah. Want to get on a ride? Well, let's see if we
get
can
a
go.
Monsters Inc?
Get a buddy pass?
Yeah.
Yeah, because me and you are buddies. Tickets and schedules. 1 ticket to Monstropolis, please. Welcome to Monstropolis. Oh, here's a ticket booth. Oh, the inside queue is very small.
Yeah.
I forget how small it is. We never go through here. Oh, look, everybody's going. They're going on the ride. He never gets his whole head in the picture.
Look at that terrible teriyaki.
Harry Houston's teriyaki. Oh, here's the phone booth.
City cab service is available at any time. Please proceed to the taxi boarding area located just ahead. Thank you.
Please proceed. That's Monster for Keep It Moving. Ooh, scare of the month. Randall. I like seeing Randall in when they're in college.
Oh yeah.
That was funny. Monsters University. He's so nerdy. Isn't he Mike's roommate?
Yeah.
He's Mike's roommate in college.
Yeah.
That's funny. We go.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind power and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Pooh!
Oh, Googly Bear!
Then it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible. I was minding my own business.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
This way! We are at the scene, number one. Run out and lock it down. I'll be on the lookout for this time. Nothing exciting ever happens. Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor. Almost there, kiddo. They'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
You've gotta go now. Sleep tight.
What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching. Move it along, people. That's right, nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good.
My new favorite monorail, the orange one with all the different Mickeys. Go, Mickey. Go, Mickey. Go, Mickey. Yeah.
Dude, I almost missed talking to you. Trip is over. I'm full.
You don't want to take a nap now.
I don't want to take a nap after this.